What's up, guys? What's up, dude?
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. What's up, Pongo?
Hello.
We got both the Subis out today, and we are actually headed down to Carson City for a car meet slash car show. It's our first year going to this. Is it the first year that they do
For them
this?
too. First year for them.
First year, so it's gonna be a first year for everyone, and we're just gonna go see how it goes. If you guys have noticed on Ongo's car, he put the rear spats back on, the side skirt extensions, and he got a front lip. So the car looks way better now. I think all that black contrasts very well with the wheels, and I like it. This is your first time seeing the wheels in daylight, huh?
In daylight, yeah.
So there's the wheels. I still can't like process it yet. It takes me a couple days to. Damn. What do you think, Ongo?
I think your backs are fine. Can I say one go lower?
Yeah.
I think it's fine.
Just leave it like that. We actually got lucky today because we've been having a lot of rain and the cars are filthy. So we're gonna head over to the car wash the cars, meet up with some more cars, and then we'll head down to Carson. Doesn't work either?
No.
These are all the cars that are going to be mobbing down with us. We got the Subi that was just at my house. We got a Beamer, a couple Audis. We got my car, Ongo's car, and then our buddy Maro's. Fat ass wing, Maro. I filled up on some gas. I think we're good to go. Ongo's been looking at snaps from the meet, and it's looking good, guys. So hopefully we see some cool cars today. What's up, Chino?
What's up, bro?
What's up, dude? Is this yours?
It's hers.
Chino didn't bring his car today. They actually brought his girlfriend's car. Check it out. Damn, Chino. How does your girlfriend have a better car than you?
Huh? Alright, boys. See you at the meet.
Yeah. We just made it out to SummerSlammed. What's up, guys? Hell yeah, this is his car right here. What was your name, bro?
Brian.
Brian. So this is Brian's hatchback. It's on bags. Check out that setup. What's up, guys?
What's up?
How are you guys?
Good. What's up?
Yeah.
What? Rap bars to the ice cream music.
Spit a flow.
Yo, my name is Ongo and I like to eat ice cream.
What are you, Blueface? Hell off, beat. So we haven't even got a chance to look at all the cars. We've been talking to a lot of people who watch our videos. So thank you guys for coming out to say what's up. There's a lot of Subarus at this meet. Check this out. So this is the Sophisticated crew. They're from Truckee. I think that's like about an hour away from us. But these Subis are clean. Interesting thing about this last car here is he's actually rocking Ongo's old WRX side skirts, and he's rocking my old wing stiffies. So that's pretty cool. Marco, your car's looking dope, dude.
Look at the fucking grass. The grass is grass.
Damn, this one is nice. Thank you so much to Cameron and Arinin. Am I saying that right?
Rhiannon.
They came out from Oroville, which is 3 hours away, just to say what's up to us. So thank you guys.
Yeah.
Appreciate it. And happy belated birthday. Happy birthday, man. Thanks for coming out. Ongo actually had this same car in GTA.
Oh, it's a Gwen.
That shit's fast in GTA, dude.
It is.
In honor of Camacho not being here today, this is how he would look if he went back. Camacho's in EDC with Marco, Wambo. They all went down to Vegas, so that's why they're not here. Yeah. Yeah, alright, Chino. Yeah. Buzz down, Chino. Buzz down, Chino. Oh, that's fucking dope. Back. Ooh, look at this one.
Come on, it's like...
That's the winner. Oh, that's the winner right there. The best wheels. Impressions of the meet. First time.
For the first year, dude, they did good.
They did good for the
job.
first year. It was pretty cool. It was a pretty good turnout. A lot of nice cars. I think our favorite was definitely that Evo. Sebastian's. I think the meet is coming to an end, so we're gonna head out of here and go catch that bite to eat. Just made it to Wingstop and check it out. Evo's from the car show.
Everywhere we go, there's cars.
Yeah, right now, huh? Everyone's leaving to come eat.
ATM. Mucho pento. Saca pues, saca.
What's that over there?
Snow.
Ooh. So we're just gonna end today with some pictures. I just realized that we haven't gotten pictures of the cars together since like before the wheels, before the bumpers, all that stuff. So now that they're, I guess, kind of complete, we're gonna get some pictures of them. This is what we got right now, and then we'll move the cars around and see what else we can get. Just finished up shooting the cars and we got some really good pictures. Happy with what we got. It is starting to rain, so we're just gonna call it a day probably and go home. I hope you guys enjoyed the first car show for the Subies this year. Hopefully we can make it out to some more. Super happy that we were able to get both cars ready for today's show. That was our goal, to have them ready for this show. So thank you to everyone at SummerSlammed for having us out. We'll definitely be back next year. Really good turnout for the first year, so good on you guys. We'll see you guys next time. Peace out.